We use this for diagnostics on the evap system, which is mainly critical for your smogs and for emissions. Here we have a Pico scope, which is a digital oscilloscope. We use this for electrical diagnostics, more on the advanced side. Multimeter will only give you an average voltage reading. This will give you live, true data down to the millivolt. As you can see here, you can do numerous things from checking your engine compression. It will give you an electrical waveform. You could check fuel injector ramp, current ramp, anything from can lines to ABS sensors, crankshaft sensors, ignition, O2 sensors, and goes on and on and on. Phone number 925-462-5858. HopYardAutoRepair.com.